To update Google Play services if it won't run, start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A strong internet connection is necessary for updating Google Play services. Next, go to your device's settings and select the Apps or Application Manager option. From the list of apps, find Google Play services and click on it. If you are unable to find Google Play services, you can try searching for it in the settings search bar. Once you have opened the Google Play Services app info page, click on the Uninstall Updates button. This will revert Google Play services to its default version. Now, open the Google Play Store app on your device. If you are unable to open the Google Play Store app, try restarting your device and then open the app. In the Google Play Store app, click on the menu icon and select My Apps and Games. From the list of apps, find Google Play Services and click on the Update button next to it. If you are still unable to update Google Play Services, try clearing the cache and data of the Google Play Store app and the Google Play Services app. To do this, go to the Apps info page and select the Clear Cache and Clear Data options. Finally, restart your device and try updating Google Play services again. If you are still experiencing issues, consider contacting your device manufacturer or a professional for further assistance. It is also important to note that keeping your device and apps up to date can help prevent issues with Google Play services and other apps. Regularly updating your device and apps can help ensure that you have the latest features and security patches. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to update Google Play services even if it won't run. Remember to always keep your device and apps up to date to prevent issues and ensure a smooth user experience.